after that incident, yesterday, while the Mizoram incident also happened, I had spoken and called up the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and communicated to him that we need to maintain peace. Accordingly, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam also has agreed, and yesterday itself instructions were given that that there should be maintenance of peace in that area. And while discussions on different issues in the border are going on already, there is no need to escalate or create tension. At the same time, I had requested the Honorable local MLA from Jirang constituency to make a visit to the location, and he is there today assessing the situation. He will report back by evening. So as of now, both Assam government and Meghalaya government are communicating to ensure that there is no escalation of the situation on the ground.